In the plane, the solution of a linear system is the same as the intersection. If you think of it this way, it will make a lot more sense when we start to deal with fancy lines like parallel and coincidence situations. If we take this set of lines, line 1 and line 2, if we have two distinct lines that intersect, they are oblique or intersecting lines, and they have exactly one solution. Now, if you have a set of lines like this, line 1 and line 2, these are parallel lines. And as you can see, they have no intersections, so they have 0 solutions. And finally, if you have a line that's the same one, they're called coincident lines because they coincide with each other. We can just refer to them as the same line. And they have infinite solutions because they share an infinite amount of points. So when they say if two distinct lines, they're saying two separate lines, not that last situation. If two distinct lines intersect, then their intersection or their solution is exactly 1 point. So we're going to solve a system by graphing, which isn't necessarily the most effective way to solve a system, because if you don't intersect at a perfect integer, at a perfect corner, you can't determine what the exact solution is unless you use a graphing calculator or some algebra. But let's just start with the graph. We're going to graph y equals 1/4 x plus 6. So we get to 6, we go up 1 and over 4, or down 1 and back 4. And connect that line. Now if we go and get the other line, and we graph this, the solution will be the 1 point that if we plugged it in, it would work in both equations. So I'm going to go up to 9, down 1 and right 2, down 1, right 2, and aha, we found our intersection. So when we draw these two lines, since they both crossed at a perfect little corner, we can see that the solution is 4 and up 7. So the solution to this system is 4, 7. And if we plugged it into both, it would work out perfectly. And we would get 7 equals 1 plus 6. And because it's a solution to this, when you plug it in there for the x and the y, you're also going to get something that's completely true. 7 is equal to -2 plus 9. So why don't you try one of these on your own, and I'll be back to show you what to do when it doesn't intersect perfectly and how to do the algebra.